Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to get verified on Instagram. So let's start. First open Instagram account. Go to profile menu. Now click three dot menu. Now click setting. Now click account. Scroll down and click request verification. Enter your full name. Click document types, driving license, passport or national ID card. Click add file and upload your national ID card photos. Now select your country. My country Bangladesh. Select. Now this optional. Add your social media for links. No problem, you don't add links. Now click submit. I hope you like this video. If watching the video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.